States, we're gonna do a really bomb transformation on my UNice unit. Y'all know UNice is the OG out here. You know, they give great quality bundles if that's what you're looking for, as well as lace frontal wigs, closure wigs. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a really bomb custom color on one of their highlighted units. Y'all know I really don't care for the copper yellow blonde kind of color on me. I tried it out recently and it just really wasn't giving me what I needed to give. So if you are interested, please continue to watch. Don't forget the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned if you want to see how I got this really beautiful mocha color with their highlighted blonde unit. Alright beauties, so let's get into the tedious part yet the fun part for me. I am doing the floating method for the gradient illusion hairline today. So I really wanted to go ahead and show you guys the process. If you like doing it like this, or if you are thinking about doing it like this, it is a super easy way to actually take the density out your unit and actually have a realistic hairline. After you do it like this, you may need to go and pop it onto your head and continue to pluck, but I feel like the floating method, you kind of get like the sunlight, the natural light hitting your lace, and you kind of see where you need to stop or where you need to continue to pluck. So that's a good thing. So I do want to mention the coloring process. I do end up using a whole bottle of Adore Mocha Brown hair dye, and for the richness of your hair color, you want to use more or you want to use less if you don't really want it to be as rich as I decided to have mine. Well, since this hair is already highlighted, pre-highlighted with some blonde strands, I knew it was going to take well, so I didn't want it to be too dark. So I decided to dunk the hair in bits at a time, starting with the bottom first and then reaching to the top. And I wanted the top to be still light, but I didn't want it to be like, I didn't want it to bleed on my knots too much. So I was very careful on how long I had put the lace in the water. So I am doing the water method, and this is the easiest method for me personally because it gets all throughout the hair, and I like to just take a fine brush, break out the hair while it's in the water and let it sit if need be. Alright, so this is the final results, but on the left is not UNice hair. It's the color that it was before I decided to go ahead and customize this unit. Your girl has been living a straight hair life. This is my second time straightening my hair since I've been in Florida. Now, why would I wait to get to Florida, humid ass Florida, to straighten my hair? I don't know, but I do need to get my ends cut and all of that, so I'm excited to actually find like a natural hairstylist out in Atlanta because your girl needs a little treat. That honey mask, I'm gonna show you. This right here, fire. I had seen like a straightening video because I was trying to see if I should get BioSilk or Chi. Before I went and straightened my hair, I wanted to do a really good mask on my hair, and I had seen somebody mention this one in their video, and they was like, girl, it did everything for her hair and more. So when I heard that, I was like, skirt. Went straight to the beauty supply store, and I found my hair was silky smooth yesterday, y'all. Like silky smooth. I'm gonna pull the draw straps to each side so it's fitting really snug on my head. Alright, it's giving. It's giving, y'all. It's giving what it needed to give. I think it's so freaking pretty. I actually got two highlighted blonde units, and I did both of them like this. So let me know if you want one. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Hit me up on the gram. Beach out morning. Good vibes. Really great quality hair, UNice. Thank you for the quality, girl. Alright, y'all know the drill. Rum and alcohol, just remove around the perimeter, and we gonna lay this team down. So grab your rat tail comb so y'all ready for the lay. One of these cotton rounds, my rum and alcohol. Always forget to do that. I don't know, I feel more confident with starting with this side first for some odd reason. I do like a small cut and rake the rest and then pop my ear out. and just comb the hair back. You don't want to press the lace in too quick. You kind of want it to get tacky.
Touching this body of mine. You wanna be a good friend of me. Why don't you put that?
I'm gonna take some of this hair mask and the Got to Be Glue hairspray and see what it gives.
I need some hair, some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations to you like United Way. Stories you told me about him, I can see that it's night and day. Told me the truth. Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's miles away. Too many roads. Body, I don't feel nobody when I'm with somebody. On my friendship, solid. I get hit up, cause it's on my website, exotic.
Ooh, sweet. We did something there, we did it. We did something there, we did it. We did something there. I love me some big curly hair, but we just gonna spritz it just a little bit, just to tame.
Niggas are changing their images. Niggas act hard, they innocent. I'm finna take a humility.
I know I'm gonna hate this, but I'm gonna try this on my weave. I don't really like Shea Moisture hair products. It's just, that's just my opinion, so don't come kill me. This Garnier serum, because I don't want to use all my chi in this hair. It does shed just a little bit. It is curly hair, so I don't really care because the density is pretty full with this hair. I think it's super pretty. Obviously it's not completely dry, but y'all seen what it looks like dry, so I like it like this. It's going to be tight in curls. I put that curl enhancing smoothie in the hair from Shea Moisture, and I don't mind it. I can really tell the highlighted pieces are in much better condition since I have deepened up this hair, because they were a little like flat and razzled or whatever the case may be. Especially if I decided to pick the hair out, it still looks natural even if I do want to have that in there. But what I do want to do is kind of give myself like a braid, because I don't want this side part, so I wanted to come back on camera and share you